Introducing Napoleon's Freestyle Series. These new grills are designed to offer incredible value and long-lasting quality. Take a step into true quality grilling, guaranteed to enhance your experience. Choice features include a cast aluminum firebox for long-lasting durable use, stainless steel burners, porcelain enamel sear plates to reduce flare-ups, and Napoleon's porcelainized cast iron iconic wave cooking grids, all designed to create consistent, even heat for delicious results. And with Napoleon's JETFIRE ignition system, you can light burners independently for direct and indirect grilling adventures. Bring your family or friends together to enjoy endless quality meals all year long. Plus, with folding side shelves, these Freestyle grills are compact enough to fit anywhere with ease. Napoleon's Freestyle grills are available in a 3 or 4 burner model, all backed by a 10-year bumper-to-bumper warranty for your peace of mind.